So what is it about mitochondria that leads to mental disorders?
So, this was one of the key parts of developing this theory. And because the more I read about mitochondria, I hadn't seen anyone really try to break it into concrete kind of clear pathways of like what happens when mitochondria aren't functioning in a cell. Like, what are the consequences of that? I saw literally thousands of research articles. Almost all of them would focus on one aspect or another, or maybe a few, and they would quickly get lost in the weeds of complexity, like all these biochemical pathways. Like this enzyme produces this molecule, which then goes to this part of the cell and triggers this receptor, and they tell that part of the story, but that's a tiny part of the story. And so when I was developing this theory, I tried to read all of these articles, but always stepping back and trying to see the bigger picture. Like, how can we make sense of this, and how can I help other people understand this? And so at the end of the day, I've identified 5 clear consequences of mitochondrial dysfunction. 2 of them are, and I go into detail in the book, but 2 of them are particularly important to answer your question. How does mitochondrial dysfunction result in mental illness? I'll actually mention 3.